Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to install the Zanderio WordPress plugin and connect it to your website. First, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. From the left-hand menu, go to Plugins and click Add New. In the search bar, type Zanderio AI. Once you find the plugin, click Install Now, and after the installation is complete, click Activate. Next, you'll be asked to approve the connection between your WordPress website and Zanderio. Simply click Yes, I approve this connection. Once the connection is approved, your Zanderio account will be linked automatically. Log in to your Zanderio dashboard, and you'll see the website that has just been connected. The next step is to sync your website data. This allows Zanderio to learn about your website, products, pages, and content, so your AI sales agent can provide accurate responses to visitors. After the sync is complete, you can customize your AI chat, update your agent's name, profile image, and branding settings, then save your changes. Now test your AI agent. Return to the dashboard and open the playground, where you can ask questions and verify responses. Once satisfied, go back to the dashboard and click Install Chat widget. After a few moments, refresh your website, and you'll see the Zanderio chat widget live. That's it. Your Zanderio AI sales agent is now live and ready to engage visitors.